The session is called EOSC Federation Interoperability is about interoperability. This session is talking about the critical concepts of the technical and semantic interoperability. Basically, this is the cornerstone of a truly interconnected research environment if you have the technical and semantic interoperability working properly. As I just said, these are important aspects for a truly interconnected research environment. And what we aim to do is to answer a few questions about the technical and semantic interoperability. With technical interoperability, we mean ensuring that services across the EOSC Federation can ensure a proper exchange of data efficiently and the communication efficiently. And by semantic interoperability, we mean that realizing standardization for the data in order to, let's say, describe the metadata properly and to facilitate an effortless discovery across the whole system. These aspects are being discussed in, let's say, answering three questions. First of all, are the technical and semantic interoperability aspects that the Federation needs at different levels of maturity of the Federation. The second question is, how should the interoperability framework evolve? What is missing in the framework so far? And the third question is, how can we expand the fair digital objects model to support the users with relevant data and compatible services and operations? And by answering these three questions, or at least trying to answer these three questions, we hope that the audience will learn the importance of technical and semantic interoperability and learn about where we stand with respect to the technical and semantic interoperability, and in that way can gain more from the EOSC Federation once it is up and running. First of all, you see the audience growing in numbers and the community attending this type of symposia more frequently and in larger numbers. And secondly, the best thing of these symposia is that the different groups that are working on the e-infrastructures, groups that are working on data, research performing organizations, funders, service providing organizations all come together and jointly discuss what would be possible with a up and running EOSC Federation. And the good thing about that is that they learn from each other, they connect to each other, and what we could call the ecosystem, the EOSC ecosystem, is growing as a consequence of that. And having this ecosystem properly functioning in Europe will lead to a, let's say, very successful EOSC in the end.